Okay, good morning, guys. Trust you guys are good. Okay, so I don't know. I'm sure that most people don't know that I actually trade both currency, synthetic, and indices. In fact, crypto too. More or less, I'm not just a kind of forester. I'm actually a financial analyst, in the sense that I trade practically anything that has to do with the market, whether forex, whether meta, whether indices or synthetic. In fact, I even trade stock once in a while, but that's not where I'm not yet for that money. So one of the questions someone asked me yesterday, that did I trade gold or did I trade currency? And yes, in fact, as you can see, these are some trade I have running already. There's some trade I had running already. So these are some trades I had running already, as you can see. In fact, now I told you that my trade is just basically 1:2, 1:3. As you can see, I saw this mark here. Okay, so I marked this level here, this zone here, at 1 hour time frame. The Millet broke it. I did one that retested it here, so I took this trade on 5 minutes. I did this trade on 5 minutes. He broke it down. Maybe he broke it down here. So I took the trade from here. So maybe he broke it down here. Retest it. I entered for it's a 1:3. So we were done. As you can see, 1:3. So I also mark this level here too. So I mark this level here. I think this level here is even on 1 hour too. This particular level here, yeah. I know. Okay, so 15 minutes I saw it. 30 minutes. I saw it on 30. Is it 30 minutes or 15 minutes? Yeah, there is it. So this one candlestick retracement on 30 minutes. So I marked it out as I extend it out over. Then I look for entry on 15 minutes. So immediately he broke it down. 1 minute. So he broke this line down. So if I had even done more than 1:3, I would have still been in profit. So I broke it down. I waited for it to retest. This one, when it retested it, I actually missed out. I waited for it again. Came down, retested that same zone. So more or less like um, there is it. This wave pattern 3. Then went up again, retested here, dropped. Then I waited for the third one. Then I knew that it's going to drop. But what actually gave me this buy house was engulfing. I saw this engulfing candlestick. I waited for the next candlestick that opened, which was this gold, here. Let me look so we can see it well. So this good candlestick here. Similarly, I saw that good candlestick. This good candlestick. Then I entered for a sell, and you just knew that it was just more or less one candlestick, or just a bit retracement. Then set my stop loss 5 pips, but this was 5.9 pips. Then 1:3 as usual, and TP we hit, and that was it for this trade. Now, but I feel that the market is still selling. Because we check 1 hour time frame now. So these are more or less like M pattern. Now let me do it from here. So this all. M pattern. What's happening? Okay. Don't mind me. Just 1 minute, please. Okay. What's happening now? Okay, market came down, then went up here, so dropped to this level because of this level here, as you can see. So, and that was why I made this one on 30 minutes. Related at this level, then I feel that it's coming down to somewhere here. And why is because as you can see, there's a lot of rejection. There's a rejection zone here. So I'm expecting it to drop here. Now, so how can we get our entry? So our entry will still be 15 minutes. So now when I'm looking for my entry on 15 minutes, I use candlestick pattern or chart pattern. So either of them. But most times I kind of like to use the two together. Know what's happening. So let's remove this one so it can have a clear chart. Okay, so let expect the market, because that's gotten to this zone here. This is an F&R zone here. For those that use F&R zone, so what I would do is, let me see, there's a rejection here. So two things I'm going to do here now for this sell order. So either the market it trades to this level, 5 pips still, then we short down to this place, but that's more than 1 ratio. That is 1 ratio 12, but that's not what we are doing. That's not what we are. We are more of 1 ratio 2, 1 ratio 3. Just take the little you want to get that day and get out. Here you get. But this is the overall. But now that's if it come and retest here, the way it's coming now, retest this level, start dropping. But where I would actually love to wait for it is this place here initially. I prefer to wait for it here. This level. Let it come back to the origin. For those that use SMC, that's what we call it, wave pattern, to come back to the initial kickoff. Here 5 pips as usual. So that's my buyers on gold this morning. So here my entry. But let's increase the pips a bit. This market is funny. You want to just, so let's do some pips. So this be my analysis for gold this morning. That's for those that are trading gold, those that are trading currency. So that's all. So let's just do a kind of recap on the trade we did on synthetic. I traded too. I'm more of a all trader. I trade. If the currency is not giving money, synthetic definitely give money. Something does not give me money, cash and bro will give me money. So I have a layer that I have already. Let's see. Do we ETP or SL as usual? Wow. So eventually, now, so this is what I was saying now. So this make it more, look at now. Look at this trade. For those that are, look at now. So markets, it's even retraced, tested. So he broke it out and went straight up. Wow. As you guys, market is so funny sometimes. Look at now. So this is an uptrend directly. Now, I told you initially that the market is an uptrend. They are changing the bias now. Wow. So bias has changed. Basically, I think for me for now there is no trade yet. Yeah, there is no trade yet. Yeah, because the way it's going, I think the market is going. Yeah. Wow. Okay. 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 So we have something like this already. Okay. So two things I'm going to do now. Let's wait for this market. So if it doesn't break it, we'll take a sell. Because if you check out the higher time frame, the market is actually a downtrend. You only just change a bias, because you can't have a market to go a particular direction for a longest time. Do you get? So, but if it break it, then we are going for long. So two things. I wait for my confirmation. I don't have a confirmation. I don't have confirmation yet now. So this is just more or less like, because now either of the two trade now, either of the two buyers, I need a confluence. I have buyers. Either I use candlestick pattern or chart pattern to follow it. You get candlestick or chart pattern. But this either ways. Let me move all these guys here. So as you can see now, if it doesn't break this zone, we are coming down. But if it break it, wait for it to retest. So if you break it, if you break the market, wait for the market to come and retest it, then we go for a buy. And that's for this order. So that'll be for this. Do you get? So that will be looking at, that will be for a buy if it continue buying. But either way, let's just wait for a sell. Do you get? So that's for that. By God grace, starting from next week, I will actually start my beginners class. I'll be dropping my beginners class, but I'm still recording them, so you guys just be patient with me. So my textbook is on the way, though we have done writing it, done compiling it. So watch out for my textbook anytime from now. One thing I can show you about my textbook is gonna be more or less free. I'm not gonna charge for it. Trader has given me money, and it will still give me the money I want. So I'm not here to charge anybody. Even my advanced class, which I'm gonna be teaching my strategy, is gonna be more or less free. What I mean more or less free, not that you're not gonna go pay, you're going to pay, but it's just gonna be a little token. I'm not here to ferrari anybody. I'm not here to suffer anybody. Forex is one of the best things that can happen to any man. So we shouldn't bill or extort people in the name of they should come and learn or buy material. But no, that's not why we are here. Profit trading is not for here. The profitable trader is not for here. But nevertheless, as you're watching this video, please, I beg of you, do well to subscribe on my channel. If you are watching from YouTube, subscribe. If you are watching on TikTok, follow me. If you're watching on Instagram, follow me. If it's on Facebook, follow me. But especially, please do follow me on YouTube. Thank you, guys. I appreciate it. So see you in my next video.